Hey, what's up guys? Today this video is a little bit unusual. This is not like the tutorial video giving you information. I'm just gonna play a video showing you a fun experiment or a fun idea. Disclaimer, please don't do this. This is dumb. This is just based on structure alone. As you can see on this video, sped up to like 500%. The duration of this trades overall was 40 minutes. And yeah, it's showing you that trading by structure alone, this video shows you that the fractal nature of the market, meaning what happens on higher time frames could happen on lower time frames. Second is showing you the structure and the order flow, and at the same time risk management. As you can see, solely on this video that I was just using structure alone, and meaning maybe this strategy is good, but imagine matching up, adding POIs I mean imbalances or order blocks, and adding confirmation into these trades, at the same time also having a trade management plan by moving your stops to BE or partialing or trailing your stop. Imagine using that while taking these trades. This would be a more profitable trade. But again, I'm just gonna show you the structure and the order flow and the fractal nature of the market through this video. Also, another reason why I made this video, because I'm running out. I have other contents in mind, but sometimes when you do some of this YouTube thingy or tutorial, sometimes you get drained out on finding content or making content. So I think this is just a fun experiment, you know, just fooling around with structure and with other pairs that I usually don't trade. And another reason why I didn't use TradingView, their order thingy or paper trading thingy, is I don't know how to use it. That's why I just marked it up with a sell limit, buy limit, or a market execution or buy stop, sell stop with a text tool. Also, I could have recorded it again or do a restart on recording, or doing this content again to maybe have like, put in the title like 10% in 40 minutes. That'd be a cool thing. I might do that next time. But again, I also wanted to showcase that not all the time you're gonna win, not all the time you're gonna have profitable months or have a very high profit month, lower than your average monthly ROI. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Taking a chiller content. So yeah, thanks for watching.